Hello everybody, welcome to our mathematics class from Afghan-Turk modified schools. As we studied in two previous video lessons about the logarithm, and we defined that what was the logarithm. Logarithm was looking differently at exponentials. And also we divided the logarithms into two parts. One was common logarithm and the next was natural logarithms. And also we studied some properties in the last video, 1 up to 4. And today we are going to talk about some properties which we have some conditions to having this one. Look, properties of the logarithm. This is the fifth one. For example, the number 5, e is from positive real number except number 1. And xy is from the positive real numbers. On that time, we will have some properties according to this condition in the logarithmic functions. Look, if we have log of x times y to the base a, on the time we can change this one into addition. Look, if we have the multiplication of logarithm as an argument in a logarithm with the same base, on the time we can spread this one into additional part. Look, log of x times y to the base e is equal with log of x to base e plus log of y to base b. And also we will have some examples for this property, and also we will have some conditional examples. We will solve next. And the next one, log of x over y to base a is equal with the log of x to base e minus log of y to base b. What does it mean? If we have an coefficient of two arguments or two variables to the base e, and the time we can spread this coefficient form into subtractions. Like log of x over y to base e is equal with log of x to the base e minus log of y to the base a. Okay, dear students, now we are going to check some examples according to these properties. Look, the first one, log of 10 to the base 2. We can spread, and also we can write the number 10 into log of 2 times number 5 to the base 2. Look, this is in multiplication form, and also we can change this one into addition. Log of 2 to base 2 plus log of 5 to base 2. What does it mean? If we have multiplication of two numbers, on the time we can spread these two multiplication of argument of the logarithms into addition form. And the second form, we have log of number 12 to base 3. We can write this one log of 3 times 4 to the base 3. As you know, as you say here, if this is in multiplication form, let's change to addition form. Log of number 3 to the base 3 plus log of 4 to base 3. As we studied in I think in third properties, log of number 3 to the itself, or we had an example, we had a property, every number to base of itself will be number 1. For this reason, 1 plus log of 4 to the base 3. We changed the one logarithm into two forms. And the third form, log of number 2 to base 10. If we don't have any base in the logarithm, on the time that is called natural logarithms. Let's write log of 2 to the base 10 plus log of 5 to the base 10 is equal with, when we have the same basis, on the time we can simplify into multiplication form. 2 times 5 will be 10. To the base 10, it will be what? Log of 10 to the base 10 will be number 1. And the fourth one, log of 6 to the base 2 plus log of 7 to the base 2. As we say, this is in additional form. How we can change this into multiplication form? Log of, because the bases are equal with together, on the time we will multiply the arguments of the logarithms. Like 6 times 7 will be 42 to the base 2. Okay. As you say, this is in quotient form. How we can change it into subtraction form? Log of 8 over 5 to the base 2. Let's write log of number 8 to base 2 minus log of number 5 to base 2. And also we can simplify this one. Log of 8, we can write instead of 8, 2 to the power of 3 to the base of 2, minus log of 5 to base 2. And it will be the log of 2 to the power of 3 to the base of 3 will be written 3 times log of 2 to base 2 minus log of 5 to the base 2. As we know, this gives us number 1. For this reason, we can write 3 times 1 minus log of 5 to the base 2. Let's check the sixth one. Here, as you say, the bases are equal with together, and the operation among two logarithms are subtraction form. And that time we will change it into quotient form. Log of 6 over 3. 6 over 3 to the base 2. Let's simplify this one. Log of 6 divided by number 3 will be number 2 to the base 2. As you know from third properties of the last videos, log of 2 to the base of 2 will be number 1. And the next one. This is in additional form and the bases are simultaneously equal with together. On that time we can write, here we must multiply the arguments of the logarithms with together. 3 times 12 will be, 3 times number 4 will be 12 to the base 12. As the sixth example, we can write among the log of 12 to the base of 12, it will be number 1. Let's check some conditional examples. As I said, there are students. Let's check some conditional examples and conditional examples to solve. Let's check some examples. Number 1, given log of 3 to the base 10 is equal with number x. Then the question says as find the log of 30 to base 10. Look, to finding the log of 30 to base number 10, when the log of 3 to base 10 is given and equal with the number x, on that time we are obligated to use this part to show what is the log of 30 to base 10. Let's check. Log of 30 to base 10 can be written like log of 3 times 10. It will be 3 times 10 will be 13. It doesn't matter. And also log of 3, because it is in multiplication form, we can change it into addition form. Log of 3 to the base 10 plus log of 10 to base 10. As the question says as log of 3 to base 10 is equal with the number 1. On the time we are going to find this log of 30 to base 10 according to number x, or it means in terms of x. Then here log of 3 to base 10 is given like x, then plus log of 10 to base 10 is equal with the number 1. When log of 3 to base 10 is equal with the number x, on that time the value of log of 30 to base 10 in terms of x will be x plus 1. Let's check another one. The second one, the logarithms of log 3 to base 10 is equal with the number x and log of 5 to base 10 is equal with the number y are given. Then find the log of 45 in terms of x and y. Let's check this one also. First, to solving these kind of conditional logarithms in the logarithm, on that time we use from this part, log of 45, we can write this one, log of 9 times 4 will be, 9 times 5 will be 45. On the time log of 9 times 5 can be written like 9 to base 10 plus log of 5 to base 10. Here, log of 3 to base 10 is equal with the number x, and the log of 5 to base 10 is equal with the number y. How we can find log of 45 in terms of x and y? Let's check this one. Log of 9 can be written log of 3 to the power of 2 plus log of 5 to base 10. And that time we will bring 2 times log of 3 to the base 10 plus log of 5 to base 10. Here, log of 3 to base 10 is equal with the number x. 2 times x plus log of 5 to base 10 is equal with the number y. And now we substitute this one. 2x plus y. On the term 2 times x plus y, there is the answer of the log of 45 to base 10 according to log of 3 to base 10 is equal with the number x, and the log of 5 to base 10 is equal with the number y. Let's check there, students. Another question. Here the question says as log of a to base 10 is equal with the number 2, and log of b to base 10 is equal with the number 3, and also log of c to the base 10 is equal with the number 5. It says are given, then find log of a cubed times b squared over c squared. Let's check from this part. Log of e cubed times b squared over c squared can be written to the base 10 log of e cubed plus log of b squared minus log of c squared to base 10 as the properties which we had studied. And here this part can be written 3 times log of a to base 10 as we studied the property, plus 2 times log of b to base 10 minus 2 times log of c to base 10. And now we will substitute the values which has given up. Here 3 times log of a to base 10 is equal with number 2, plus 2 times log of b to base 10 is given as number 3, minus 2 times, instead of log of c to base 10 we can substitute log of c to base 10 is equal with the number 5. Let's simplify this one. 3 times 2 will be 6, plus 2 times 3 will be 6, minus 2 times 5 will be number 10. And then 6 times 6 is equal with 12, minus 10 will be 2. The answer of this question is equal with the number 2. Dear students, if you have any question, if you face any question of topics of this video on the time, please give or please comment to our videos on the channel. Thank you for your watching.